Now we have discussed how can copy and paste as a formula. You have just copy and right click here, paste a spatial and select the formulas. And okay, your formula will be pasted here. I want to remove the formula, copy this and right click, paste as a spatial as a value, a formula will be removed. You can also use this the entire workbook, reports book. Okay. So now we discuss about the formatting. So I do not want to paste my formula and my value. I want to paste only for the my formatting. Formatting in the sense
The color.
data, column, heading. Okay. So we right click here and copy here and go to the locations where you want to paste and paste a spatial. We have select just format. So format paste only for formatting. Format paste only for formatting.
Formatting.
And press OK formatting. You can also use this feature to your paintbrush. Okay, I want to same formatting apply in the some area. Just click here and we have just select your formatting will be coming here. Okay, just double click and where you want to apply your formatting will be applied. Single click the single locations and multiple location multi double click. Okay, understand?
Yes, I get
Now
that.
paste as a comment. Sometimes some additional information we have entered as a comment, just like here marks. Marks is the this is the final marks.
Comment.
Okay, when you my mouse pointer over of the my cell, my comment will be appear here. But I want to remove this. So right click here and just delete the comment. But I want to comment another comment here. So right click, insert here, new comment, right here comment. This is 2026 final marks. Okay. And click here. So my comment will be appear. When you go to the mouse pointer, my comments will be coming here. But I want to same comment my rest of the area. But I don't want to change my formulas and formatting. Only for comments. So that time, copy this, select the our data, right click, paste a spatial, and just click here comments and notes. Okay, you can see only for comment paste here. Next topic is the column width. Sometimes we have make the report and I have adjust my column size according my visualization and printing. Okay. So now I want to paste here with column. But you can normally copy paste your column width not paste here. So I want to column width also. So first paste the normal and second we have right click, paste a spatial and go to the column width. Okay, your column will be pasted here. But remember, one time only for one column will paste here. If you want to column width the data both of you have paste first normal copy paste then column width. Otherwise, you can also use the icon. Yeah, click here, paste its icon here. This is the icon. Keep source column width. Click here, your data and your width paste at once time. Okay. Now
Can you
you
try
want
to?
to
Can you do that again one more time? Can you do that again?
right click here, paste a spatial, and just select here, keep the source column width. Do not click here, paste a spatial. You just click here, the paste arrow, a small arrow here. More options. You can see the icon. This icon, the fifth icon is the keep source column width. Okay, understand? Any problem?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Now, sometime in the my data have a date and time. Okay. So when you copy my date and paste here, my date convert into code, some like numbers. You can see here.
Mhm.
But understand what is the number.
Mhm.
This is the number of dates. In the Excel, when you type any
Mhm.
date, just I have typed date today date 16/6, and when press the enter, your date showing the as a date. But when you apply here general format, you can see 46,189 is the number of dates
And 89.
from the computer calendar to
Mhm.
enter date. Enter date, it means 16 June. When you start the computer calendar,
Mhm.
1st January 1900. Okay. So
Mhm.
when you copy and paste, that time I have told you the paste the value. Paste the value, remove the all type formatting. Date also formatting, so formatting will be removed. So we
Mhm.
need to change the date format. Click here and apply here date format. But I want to same
Mhm.
formatting. Do not change my date
Mhm.
formatting. So that time you
Mhm.
not paste as a value, yeah, formula. You have paste here formula as a number format, yeah, value as a number format. When you click the value as a number format,
Mhm.
only for date
Mhm.
formatting, the number formatting can be date, time, dollar, percentage, like number format. Number format only will
Mhm.
come here, paste here, and rest of the formatting like color,
Mhm.
border is not paste here. Okay, you can see.
Mhm.
So when you have data,
Mhm.
when you have date in the data, that time copy and do not paste the value. Paste the value as a number form. Okay,
Mhm.
understand?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. The next is the paste as a calculation. This is the very interesting. So if you copy
Mhm.
this and paste here, my 50 will be replaced. Now right click, paste spatial, and we have select the additions. Okay. Now 20 and
Mhm.
50 will be calculate and 70 paste here. But what is the use? So now I have create the one sample data here.
Mhm.
Yeah, right. Give me the minutes. Some sample data using the
Okay.
RAN between 10 comma 20. So in between 10 to 19 numbers will be coming. We have copied this and paste the entire area. So all number will
Mhm.
be coming here. But I want to remove my
Mhm.
formula. So copy this and paste a special and select also the here value.
Question.
This is the symbol of the paste as a value. Now
Mhm.
I have
Okay.
make the report which person, which day, how many quantity sold. Okay, but problem
Mhm.
is my boss is say he do not want to how many quantity sold. I want to how many percentage target will achieve. Okay,
Mhm.
so
Mhm.
target is the everyday 70. So my boss give the target every day 70 every person's.
Mhm.
So every person's every day how many percent target will achieve we want to show here. Same here. So that time, copy this 70, select the overall data, right click, paste spatial, and just click here divide. So when you click the divide,
Mhm.
every number divide by 71 by 1 and result will be
Mhm.
pasted here in the decimal. But when you have
Mhm.
select the percentage, give me the percentage. Okay. But one
Mhm.
problem here, my border will be changed. Why?
Mhm.
Because when you paste, we do not select here value. Okay, we select the all.
Mhm.
All means format also paste. Here is a no border, no color.
Mhm.
So every formatting paste here.
Mhm.
So we have select the
Mhm.
values and select here divide and then okay and apply the percentage. It is
Mhm.
clear?
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now I want to paste the skip line. This is the data. I want
Mhm.
to some changing here. It's like 26, 66, 58, 74. So column C have a changing. I want to update the column B. But problem is that the blank cell will be okay. So I want to paste only paste which cell have a data. Which cell have blank, I don't want
Mhm.
to paste. Okay. So
Mhm.
that time copy the entire column select the B column, right click, paste special, and just select here skip blank. Skip blank, it means ignore exclude the paste from which from the blank cell. Which cell have a blank, not copy, only for paste. Which cell have a data. Okay, you can see here. So 26 paste, 36 paste, 50 paste. Now next is the
Mm-hmm.
transpose. How can transpose? So this is the vertical data, but I want to the horizontal. So right click, paste spatial, click the last option, transpose. Transpose will be pasted.
Mm-hmm.
It is clear?
Mm-hmm.
So I have just repeat one thing.
Yes.
How what do we'll discuss today? First, paste is a formula. We how can copy and paste the formula? I can you have understand because I also practice this. Okay, formula.
Yes, yes,
Now
yes, yes.
I want to only for value. So copy and paste special only for values. Second, how can paste
Mm-hmm.
in a format? So we have told you the two format type. First, copy and
Mm-hmm.
right click, paste spatial as a format. And second thing we discuss is select the entire area, click here, single click to single
Mm-hmm.
location, multiple location will be multiple click. When you multiple click, you
Double
can
click. Mm-hmm.
double click here, you can click here multiple
Mm-hmm.
locations. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Second, the
Mm-hmm.
paste is a comment. When you want to paste comments,
Mm-hmm.
so copy here and select the area, right click, paste is spatial, and paste as a comments and notes. I want to paste only for column width. Select here, column width, right click, paste is spatial, click this arrow, and here is the paste as a column width. Okay, keep source column width.
Mm-hmm.
Number formatting,
Mm-hmm.
if we have the data and data contain the date, that time do not paste the formula or paste the value. Okay, you have used the paste the
Mm-hmm.
formula as a number format, yeah, value as a number format, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can also calculate.
Mm-hmm.
uh, we have number, I want to copy and paste with calculation, so that time we have used the paste spatial and select the my operation. It's like add, subtract, multiply. When you press ok, you can see my result will be coming here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
or
Mm-hmm.
paste the skip blank and paste the transpose. Understand any problem?
Mm-hmm. Yes. No, no, no. I think that's fine.
Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
next is the paste as a pictures. Paste as a pictures. So I want to this area with pictures, convert in the picture. So click here. That time we don't do not right click here. Okay, this option
Mm-hmm.
showing here. Click this and paste as a pictures. The picture will be coming. You can also increase and decrease the picture size here. But this picture not linked to data. If you any change the number and formatting the data, it is not changed. But you want to change my
Mm-hmm.
data. I want to convert the pictures with link, so that time click here picture as a link. Picture as a link. Okay. Now if you change anything, say 50 to 500, you can see 500 here. I want to change some formatting. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
How can do it?
So
Copy,
if paste on the okay, okay.
copy, select the location. No need to same sheet. You can also then say another sheet, another file, and click here,
Mm-hmm.
paste as a picture link.
Mm-hmm.
Your picture with link. See here.
Mm-hmm.
Understand?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.